Marine, talaga naman ng paka-action star. Itong koponan ng Perpetual, nagpabugbog muna bago bumawi. But even though they won that last set, Coach Jason Sabin is still not all that happy. Sabi niya sa isang champion team daw na katulad nila ay hindi daw dapat nalalagay sa gantong sitwasyon. This is also why Coach Jason Sabin reminded his girls who they are and what they are capable of. Special instructions were also given to each and every player that when they step on that service line, they should take their time and find the target. Kung kaya natin pumunta sa spike at hulog, mas lalo na dapat sa service. Back to you guys.
Well, thank you very much, Denise Tan. Here's Nene Bautista getting 1 point back. 8-7 ang ating score. Bigla naging dikit itong ating laban. You know, the first 2 sets talagang lampaso inabot doon ng Perpetual.
That's right. But yeah, you know, that's right. No, the Perpetual players have to remember they are former or current NCAA champions.
So, right. At that time, si Salamagos, yan ang isa sa mga chink in the armor of Shirley Salamagos, yung kanyang serve.
Yeah.
9-7. De La Paz, Ibiza, Tikar, Bautista off the block. And this is playable. Guillermo gets it across. Tikar, Bautista, nice block by Tubino. Tikar again. Balse, Guillermo. Tikar, palapit na palapit sa net. Guillermo, Cases. Yes! Pwede naman sipain yun, di ba?
Yeah.
10-7 Perpetual. Playing without the reigning MVP, Sandra De Los Santos. Mikasas the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Tikar. Bautista. Guillermo. Tikar again. This time going to Bautista again.
Perpetual's doing a good job in checking Nene Bautista here in the 4th set.
At gumawa talaga ng gusto si Nene ng set 3. Nene once again. Ganda ng depensa. Guillermo. Tikar. Quick set to Balse. Off the block. Ang haba ng rally. Tikar. Bautista. Checked again. Guillermo. Sartin. Henson. Tikar. Bautista, tama na! Kaya lang napalakas. Nanggigil talaga doon si Nene. Obed Javier's contesting that looked like it was in from his angle.
But the call stays.
Right. 11-7. That is out. Good read by Balse.
Yan ang poetic justice.
11-8. Bautista nalagay na sa likuran. Balse back in front.
It's also time for her to rest. Medyo yung rally na yan, ang dami ng sets.
Tubino, tinalo ni Henson. Good kick by Cases to keep it alive. Tikar. Bautista. Ganda naman ng sipa doon. To keep that one alive. Good reflexes ang pinakita doon ni Joy Cases.
Again, anything goes and that is allowed in volleyball.
Siko, ulo, tuhod, kahit na ano gamitin mo. Basta wag 2 beses tamaan. Nice serve by Cases. Diane Tikar. Dana Henson. Tubino. Ibiza on the stretch. Saved by Henson. And Bautista gets it across. Guillermo. Tubino dropping it in.
So here in the 4th set, no, yung coverage ng Arellano slow to react and Perpetual just actually smooth sailing in
so
Perpetual.
So far, tignan natin if they can sustain this on the serve of Joy Gazelle Cases. Former Letran Lady Knight, moved to Lyceum, and now guest player Supreme dito natin sa Shakey's V-League.
The Supreme.
Nice cross-court attack from Balse, cutting the lead down to 4.
I'm actually surprised in the last few rallies, medyo Tikar was not going to Balse. It was all Henson and Bautista.
Tikar, 4 service errors today, which is more than her entire total for the season. And what a shot from April Sartin. 14-9. and Guillermo.
Again, if you're Perpetual, you would want to take advantage of itong front line.
Tikar, Sagun. Tikar, Henson. Up. Double touch. Yun yung mga pagpumiti yung referee, bigla ka mamumutla eh. Alam mo na kung ano nangyari. 14-10. Perpetual. Balse Varellano serving. Guillermo. Sartins. Sarado doon. Kay Salamagos pero buhay pa rin. Tikar. Quick set. Salamagos.
So that play was all Salamagos. A good block. And then, nice coverage though by Perpetual, but Tikar.
Grabe decision making ng Tikar, ano? Balse. Guillermo back set now for Tubino. Nice dig there by Bautista. Tikar gets to it. Here's Tubino out of position. Combination now for Sagun.
That was a good set, no? Because ito si Tikar saw Tubino actually medyo chasing. And then, kita mo, parang only one blocker went up because that was a good set. That was really deceptive.
Ito si Tikar, she's very impressive sa kanya setting abilities, ha?
That's true.
To be able to command this entire squad. Nice dig again by Bautista. Salamagos. Diaz now. Tubino, lusot. Pero net violation.
You see the reaction of Tubino.
Parang
alam niya eh.
Oo. Pag tumama muna bola sa sahig at saka mo natamaan yung net, okay lang yon. Pero pag tinama mo yung net bago at tumama yung bola sa sahig, violation.
Pero judgment call din eh.
Yeah,
I've seen
it's right.
several na they'll just call it eh.
Diaz getting through Bautista. Yung mga ganong okasyon na nauna tumama yung bola sa malakas na spike bago tumama yung kamay ng spiker sa net. Jeng Boli. Usually doon mo makikita.
True.
Balse. Tikar. Sagun. Lusot kay De La Paz.
Well, itong fourth set, malapit-lapit.
Ayan na naman, parang third set natin. Di kita na naman. Dana Henson, quiet on offense. Let's see if her serve is still there.
Still there.
Yep. Guillermo. Diaz, turned back by Salamagos.
Good anticipation para kay Salamagos.
You can't teach height.
And timing, which is actually surprising the way she serves eh.
Right.
Parang two different people.
Parang Dwight Howard lang yan, di rin maka-free throw.
And Shaq.
Guillermo. Sartin, balik na naman. Salamagos na naman. Salamagos giving Arellano a 1-point lead into our second technical timeout of set number 4.